Hi, I'm Lexy presenting a small demo for Project Ming. Ming aims to provide an access to developers for building and being part of an open community and open cloud, empowering users to utilize their unused computing devices for incentives, much like a miner, and miner gets a minor reward. There's a saying the cloud is just another computer, right? So we're building a distributed system of computers which is used for building a DeepIn service. Mostly we are working on the hosting decentralized applications that are hosted on the web and a marketplace of decentralized application boilerplates, because we see a lot of time is being spent on developing an integration between the wallet and your application, right? So we solve on that part. So let's not talk much and let's get going with the demo. So this is how it goes. All right, going further with authentication, soon on coming sprints, we'll be integrating digital ID. As you can see, there are no projects deployed for now, and let's deploy our demo project. In this page, developers will have two options. First, they can start deploying and working on pre-built starters, or developers can deploy their custom dApps using GitHub URL. Our team is working hard on providing boilerplates as per the industry needs. For example, staking, DEX, NFT, marketplace boilerplates. As we prioritized Vite and React applications for deployment for the demo version, but we're not limited to it. So while it gets deployed, I want to share our documentation on docs.ming.xyz. It contains what, why, and how of Ming. If you want to try our project, you can follow getting started documentation. Everything is there, a few configurations, and you're up. Here comes the interesting part. The base architecture of Ming, the flow diagram says it all. Our dedicated server proxies will determine which child can host the incoming request, and for now, it is solely based on the closest child to user location for low latency and reason. Computing power is calculated and total uptime as well. So once the child is assigned, we plan to make sure the project is always up and running with the help of RAG and RAID architecture. Every IP has geolocation coordinates which we utilize with Haversine formula. Our system calculates the total distance with it. Also, while we brainstorm, we get new ideas how we can solve the problems that we are trying to solve are listed on public GitHub discussions. Our repository is public, which contains the current monolithic version with our current tractions listed. As you can see, I've not yet configured the wildcard domain system for the testing purposes. This domain was booked and it is not yet assigned with anything. We divided our sprints into iteration, and each iteration consists of pull requests and issues for tracking our projects. Let's wait for a moment, and kudos, the project is deployed successfully. The build time is 97 seconds on this low range laptop, plus the screen is getting recorded, else we benchmarked 62 seconds on production deployment, close enough to versal deployment. Each deployment project can be tracked on dashboard, and with all this I want to end the demo here, and thank you. There it goes.